Hey everyone, it feels particularly rewarding and exciting sitting in front of you today as we are able to announce the completion of our 30,000 plus square foot manufacturing expansion of our commercial scale recombinant human albumin production facility in the UK. It's a significant expansion project that was actually officially kicked off now more than 3 years ago. And that also emphasizes the monumental achievement its realization is to our company. This announcement comes on the back of several recently published commercial and research collaborations that together capture the increasing interest and rising global demand for Albumedix high-quality recombinant human albumin products. With an increasing production capacity now available to us, we are greatly positioned to take the next wave of customers and clients through from clinical development through to the market, adding to a growing and long track record of successful partnerships. If that wasn't enough, in order to better service our customers, we are expanding and enhancing our R&D and customer support capabilities through the opening of our new technology center. This center will include state-of-the-art research facilities specifically designed to address some of the industry's most pressing challenges.
The expansion of our manufacturing capacity here in Nottingham is a huge accomplishment for our company and our Albumedix colleagues. It's been an exciting journey from design through groundbreaking and finally construction of our 4-storey building, now towering over the site. Now fully operational, the first batches of albumin products are currently being manufactured from our new and expanded facility, and we are delighted to continue to supply high quality products to our valued customers and partners.
2021 is a true landmark year for Albumedix. Having worked out of 2 separate sites in Nottingham for close to 4 decades, this is now the first time in our history we will be in one large, fully integrated campus. As a science-driven company, upgrading our research facility builds upon our customer-centric philosophy and capabilities to support our customers and partners through our in-house expertise in albumin and its applications. The new technology centre will furthermore have facilities classified at biosafety level 2, allowing us to enable more innovation and help drive handheld support for our customers in the advanced therapy field.
Together, these investments form an integral part of our accelerated growth strategy as we look to further solidify our commitment to the life science industry. I'm truly excited about the transformative steps we are taking in establishing Albumedix recombinant as the gold standard in the enablement of advanced therapies.